Very good morning, student. Yesterday, CB has declared the syllabus for the session of 2021, in which, like if we are comparing syllabus from previous years, so few topics is deleted by the CBSE. So today I will tell you about those topics which are deleted, and today I am going to send you also new syllabus which is prescribed or which is issued by CBSE yesterday. So in accountancy here, class 11th, there is a part A which is financial accounting, in which unit 2 accounting process is there, where topic deleted name is bank reconciliation statement chapter, in which bank reconciliation statement with adjusted cash book is deleted, and there is also one chapter accounting for bills of exchange, in which a retirement of bill or renewal of bill is also deleted. And part B financial accounting, which is where unit 3 financial statement of sole proprietorship is there, in which incomplete records, difference between accounts from incomplete records and statement of affairs, preparation of trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet, these are not going to be covered. And there is unit 4 also, computers in accounting, in which introduction to operating software, utility software and application, then introduction to accounting information as a part of management information system, stages in automation, accounting process in computerized environment, comparison between manual accounting process and computerized accounting process, sourcing of accounting software, kinds of software, ready-made process, sourcing of account software, kinds of software, ready-made software, customized software and tailor-made software, generic considerations before sourcing account software. C. Creation of account groups and hierarchy. D. Generation of reports, trial balance, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So ultimately they reduced nearly 45 lectures. Okay, they reduced also 5 lectures of the project work also. Okay, so not much course is deleted, but from the topic, little bit part from 2-3 topic, little bit part is deleted. This year is not going to covered in your syllabus. I will send you this image also of deleted part, as well as I am sending you PDF also of new syllabus which is prescribed by or which is issued by CBSE yesterday. So it will be help out for to all of you, by which you know very well which topic is covered or which topic is not going to be covered. Got it? So today I am going to send you PDF also. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.